Welcome back to One More Guru. Today, I'll show you how to use Dify AI to build apps quickly and easily. Dify AI is an artificial intelligence platform that lets you create apps, workflows, and automations without needing extensive coding knowledge. It uses natural language prompts and AI-driven templates to help you design functional applications fast, making it perfect for developers or anyone wanting to streamline app development. With Dify AI, you can focus on your ideas and logic while the platform handles much of the technical coding and integration behind the scenes. To get started, open your preferred browser and search for Dify AI, then click on the official website. Press Get Started and log in using GitHub, Google, or your email address with a verification code. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Dify AI studio. Here, you have two options to create an app. From scratch, start a project by describing your desired app features in plain language. Dify AI will generate the app structure, code, and user interface elements automatically. From template, use a pre-built template and customize it to fit your app idea. After your initial build, you can test, refine, and iterate your app directly in the platform, adding features or adjusting workflows as needed. This makes app creation faster, easier, and accessible for users of all skill levels. And that's basically how you use Dify AI to build apps. The platform is very user-friendly, so feel free to explore the studio and experiment with your own ideas. If this guide helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to One More Guru for more easy, step-by-step tech tutorials.